Hello students, good morning. Today we shall discuss nouns number. Before today's class we have discussed a lot of rules how you can add s or es in the words and make it plural. Here compound words referring three types of things. So I want to tell you, you have to learn it because it's very important for you. So today we shall discuss about another rules because some nouns always used in plural form, and 10 words is given in your books according to your standard, and you have to learn it. And always this kind of words will be used in plural form. Okay, so learn it, otherwise you will be in problem if you will have no any idea about it. Next rules, there are some nouns that are plural in form, but singular in use. Plural in form. Okay, some nouns plural in form but singular in use. This is rule number 2. Okay, and very important. Okay, just like news. Example, news. प्लूरल इन फॉर्म एंड सिंगुलर इन यूज. फॉर्म क्या है इसका, देखिए ऐसा लगा हुआ है, प्लूरल है बट ऑलवेज यूज एज सिंगुलर. सो you can form the sentence non-use is good. Non-use is good. Look it. Next example, physics. Is an interesting subject. Physics is an interesting subject. From your books you can read, and 4 words are indicating in it. Looks like plural but used in singular. Okay, so this concept you will have to keep in your brain. Plural in form में plural होता है but singular in use किस में होते हैं, सिंगुलर में यूज होते हैं. ओके, एनी डाउट, एनी क्वेश्चन? नो. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट रूल्स, मोस्ट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. Most abstract nouns are not countable. Are not countable. Okay, they do not have a plural form. They do not have a plural form. They do not have a plural form. Okay. Most abstract nouns are not countable. They do not have a plural form. Just like, okay, most abstract nouns are not countable. They do not have a plural form. However, there are some abstract nouns that have a plural form, just like creation, creations, okay, creation, creations, decision, decisions, truth, truths. This is not countable. Glory, glories, not countable. Okay, understand? However, there are some abstract nouns that have a plural form. कुछ abstract noun होते हैं जिनका plural form होता है, and in your book these are given, and 2 examples. Through it we can try, we can understand. So glory, example number 1. Glory is equal to glory. Glory is equal to glories. Truth truths. Okay, so most abstract nouns are not countable. They do not have a plural form. Okay, they do not have a plural form. However, there are some abstract nouns. इसमें आप जोड़ लेंगे. However, there are some abstract nouns that have a plural form. Okay, understand? इसमें आप ऐड कर दो. इसमें ऐड कर दो. However, there are some abstract nouns However, there are some abstract nouns that have a plural form. Some abstract noun okay, that have a plural form. That have a plural form. Clear? Just like example, glory, plural will be glories. Clear? Truth, example number 2, truths. Okay, through this example we have to follow it. It's too much important and very very important class, because I mean to say it's help you more and more in chapter subject verb agreement. Okay, so from this chapter and from noun chapter it is related, so it's important fact and important rule, and through this criteria you can decide about singular and plural form. Most abstract nouns are not countable, they do not have a plural form. Next, there are some nouns that are plural in form but singular in use. आपने देखा बिफोर दिस, आपने पहले इसी को पढ़ा और समझा भी. ओके, और इससे पहले हमने आपको बताया था कि सम नाउन्स दैट नेम थिंग्स हैविंग टू मेन पार्ट्स, सच नाउन्स आर ऑलवेज यूज्ड इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म. Just like some words is mentioned here, like scissors, trousers, jeans, tongues, spectacles, swords, cloths, scales, pincers, and binoculars. These are the words you have to learn. If you will not learn, then I think and I mean to say lot of problem will be raised, because this is the part of sentence and you can use this form as a subject or object. So sentence structure will be that, so you should have more idea for it, to understand it, try to learn it. Next one, the next rules. Some nouns of which are names of substances or materials like gold, silver, copper, wood, clay, aluminium. These are uncountable nouns. Next rules. Some nouns which are names of, some nouns which are names of substances or materials. Substances and materials. Substances and materials like number 1, gold. Okay, next one will be silver, copper, silver, copper, wood, and many more also. But through this we can try to understand the names of substances and materials like gold, silver, copper, wood, clay, aluminium, etc., etc. These are also uncountable. These are also uncountable. These are also uncountable. So they are used only in the singular form. So they are used only in singular form. Okay, they are used only in singular form. Understand? So, through example gold, silver, we have to understand gold is an expensive metal. Example हमने लिखा gold is an expensive okay expensive expensive metal metal okay verb is here singular form. So these are the materials and some substances refers to uncountable. So through uncountable we have to use singular verb in sentence. Okay, I think no any doubt will be created in your mind. Understand? Now the next chapter will be exercise, and it is must because exercise we have to remember we have to do. So this is this is the work for today, and you have to do it. It's very very important. After that we shall we understand you are learning and you can do it. Okay, thanks.